Good morning, children. Today we will go to fourth chapter. We are going to learn fourth chapter, exponents and powers. Now, given number, how to write in exponential form? Then simplify the exponential forms with the loss and exponential with positive power and with negative power. In this chapter, we will learn. Now, first exponential form. How to write in exponential form? Now, one number. Here, one number 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means here one number only multiplying 6 times. Same number is multiplying 6 times. Then we can write 3 to the power of 6. How we can write 3 to the power of 6? Now 3 we called base. What we call base. Then what we call 6? Exponent. Or power also we can call. Index also we can call. Now 3 to the power of 6 means which number is repeated, that we have to write as a base. Which number repeated, that we have to write a base, and how many times it repeated in product? 6 times. Then that we have to write as a power. Now 3 into 3 into m times. Then how to write? 3 to the power of m. Here we can't read this. This is very difficult to read and write and understand also. For that, we have to write in the exponential form. Then that is very easy to read and understand. Now, what is the number here? 1, 9, 8, 6, 1. Remaining all are zeros are there. What is the meaning of zeros? Means 10 power. 100 means 10 square. 10 means 10 to the power of 1. 1000 means 10 cube. Like that, here zeros are all are 10 power. Now, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 are there. But when you will write that large number in exponential form, you have to take only one place after point. Where we have to keep? After one place. You have to take number. What is the number here except zeros? 19861. How to write that? 1.9861 into 10 to the power of. Now here too we have to count the how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then 10 to the power of 30. How to write? 1.9861 into 10 to the power of 30. Now, when you will write in this standard form, you have to use 10 power. And here, how many digits are there except 0? 5 digits are there. But you have to take one after one place point we have to take. Then 1.9861 into 10 to the power of 30. Now next one, 149 billions. How to write that? First, what is the number? 1496. 1496. Where we have to keep the point? After one place only. Then after one point. Now up to that we have to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 into 10 to the power of 11. Like that we have to write in standard form. Now, second one, powers with negative exponents. When this negative exponents means, when you will write in the denominator as numerator, denominator power you have to write as a numerator, then we will write in negative. Suppose 1 by 100. Then 1 by 10 square. 100 how to write? 10 into 10. 10 square. Then here it will become 10 to the power of minus 2. Means numerator will become negative negative power of denominator. Then denominator will come as a numerator as negative power. Now next 0.000003 means how to write that in the fraction form. 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 lakhs. 3 by 10 lakhs. Now how to write now? 3 into 10 to the, 3 by 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Understood now? Here, when the 10 power will come in denominator, when you will write in the numerator, the power will become negative. Next, with the help of laws, we have to find out how to simplify the exponential forms. Now, what is the first law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Example, suppose 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Here, multiplication is there, but powers I added. How? See, here 2 how many times repeated? 3 times. Here how many times? 2 times. Total how many times? 5 times. Then how to write? 2 to the power of 5. Now, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Means 2 to the power of 3 by 2 square is equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Because when that denominator power will change as numerator. Denominator, if you change as numerator, the power will become negative. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Otherwise, if here 3 times 2 is repeated, here 2 times is repeated, then if you cancel it, you will get only 1 time. Next, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. See, suppose 4 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2. How to read? 4 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2. Whole means bracket. Now, 4 to the power of 3 2s are 6. Next, a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab whole to the power ab whole to the power of m. How? See, suppose 2 into 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 into 3 whole to the power of 4. Because here 2 4 times, 3 also 4 times. Then easy method what? We have to multiply 2 into 3 whole to the power of 4. Now 6 whole to the power of 4. Now suppose we will see now 2 to the power of 4 means 16 into 3 to the power of 4 81. Now 6 to the how much? 16 1 is 16. 16 is 128 129. Now here 6 to the power of 4 means 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 21. 18, 1296. Got it or not? Both are equal. That means when you multiply, if the powers are equal, bases are different, then we can write those bases to the whole to the power of that power we can write. Now 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 is equal 2 into 3 to the power whole to the power of 4. 6 whole to the power of 4. Next, same like that division. 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 4 is equal 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4. Now a to the power of 0 is equal to 1 means any number, any whole number is whole number or integer or anything. If you power 0, then it is equal to 1. Means 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. Suppose 2 to the power of 4 is equal 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Because here, 2 to the power of x. If bases are equal, powers also equal. Then x is equal to 4. How to write? X is equal to 4. Now, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Here, bases are equal. Automatically, powers also equal. X is equal to 4. Next, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. See, now a to the power of minus m means 2 to the power of minus 4 is equal 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Already I explained. If the numerator, if you write in the denominator, the power will be negative, become negative. Next, 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. That means 1 by 2 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. A by b to the power of minus m is equal to b by a to the power of m. Here, now we can write, suppose 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3. Example. Now, how to write? 2 to the power of minus 3 by 3 to the power of minus 3. Now, negative will come down as positive. Now, negative down means it will come under numerator. Then 3 cube. Now, how to write? 3 by 2 whole cube. Then what is the law? A by b to the power of minus m is equal to b by a to the power of m. Here negative will become plus. Then the fraction will interchange. Numerator will become denominator. Denominator will become numerator. What are the laws? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n. If division means the powers should subtract. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. A to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. A to the power of m by b to the power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n. Then m is equal to n. Suppose 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Then automatically x is equal to 4. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. These are the laws of exponents. Then how to write in exponential form with the positive powers and negative powers we learn.